Hi everyone, I come back. Today I will present 3 ways to create job quickly on Kinetic ERP. The first one, search quick job entry. This is a single menu for you to create a job, very easy. On this form, click Next Job to create a new job number. On Part, click Search to find which product you want to produce. You can filter by part type. Here I choose manufactured part, type the part ID and click Search. Choose part and click OK. Next, you have to define how many quantity and when you want it is completed. On the option, if you want to schedule and release it right now, tick on Released and Scheduled. You can also tick on Printing to print Job Traveler Report. Finally, click Save to create job. System will show the information when it's done. Okay, now we change to the second way to create job. On the menu, we search job entry. If it's still on Classic, click on Kinetic app to change. System will show the job entry. First page is landing page. It lists the jobs with its information. Now we click New Job. As you see, this form is familiar to Quick Job form. So we do the same for next steps. So what is the difference? On the job entry menu, after creating a new job, you can check its mom on the same screen. So finally, it's also on job entry, but you can create a new job without input part. Mean you don't want the system pull mom automatically. This case happen when you want to pull another mom for part or you want to modify mom manually. The information is the same, but on Production QTY, you cannot type it directly. You have to add new on the Demand tab. After that we will get the MFG details, mom. Okay, you need to verify it's mom before you schedule and release the job. Thank you for watching my video. If it helps, please subscribe and notification for the new videos. Cheer!